Hello, and welcome to another episode of MarkSharks Study Sessions. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of metals and non-metals. Let's get started. First up, metals. Metals are elements that are typically shiny, good conductors of heat and electricity, and are usually solid at room temperature. Some common metals you might know are iron, gold, and aluminum. So, where do we use metals in everyday life? Let's check it out. Iron. It is used in construction to make steel, which builds everything from bridges to buildings. You'll also find it in cars and kitchen appliances. Gold. Not just for jewelry. Gold is also used in electronics because it's a fantastic conductor. It helps keep your phone and computer running smoothly. Aluminum. Ever used a soda can? That's aluminum. It's also used in airplanes and foil for cooking because it's light and strong. Now, let's talk about non-metals. Non-metals are elements that don't have the shiny appearance of metals and are usually poor conductors of heat and electricity. They can be gases, liquids, or solids. Examples include oxygen, sulfur, and carbon. How do non-metals fit into our lives? Check these out. Oxygen. We breathe it every day. It's essential for life because it helps us get the energy we need from food. Sulfur. This element is used in fertilizers to help plants grow. It can also be found in some medicines and matches. Carbon. It's everywhere. From the graphite in your pencils to diamonds and even the food we eat, carbon is a superstar in many forms. So, metals and non-metals each have their special roles. Metals are great for building and technology, while non-metals are crucial for life and many everyday products. And that's a wrap on metals and non-metals. Remember, both types of elements are essential in our world and make a huge impact on our daily lives. Keep exploring and stay curious, and you'll uncover even more amazing science facts. We hope you enjoyed this MarkSharks study session. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram to stay tuned for more study session content in the future. To learn more about these kinds of subjects, try our MarkSharks app, which uses visual interactives to help you learn and stay engaged. To download and try MarkSharks, click the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again real soon. MarkSharks, it's not about studying, it's about learning by doing.